8 things to do after a motor vehicle accident in Massachusetts. Good afternoon. I'm Neil Burns. I'm an attorney here in Boston, and I've been practicing law here for 35 years at 6 Beacon Street, and I'm going to talk a little bit this afternoon about things to do if you're in a motor vehicle accident. Number 1, make sure everyone's okay. Before you call your insurance company, before you yell at the other guy, make sure everyone's okay in your car. See what the situation is. Number 2, try not to move the vehicle. Get pictures, let the police be in charge of moving the vehicles. Make sure the skid marks, anything else stays in place. The debris from the cars stay in place. That can be critical if the accident is contested, if the insurance companies later on say we're not sure how it happened or where the vehicles were. Pictures are excellent. The testimony of a police officer or other witnesses as to exactly where the vehicles were is going to be very helpful. Number 3, don't discuss the accident with the other guy. If the police come, tell them what happened. If the other party is there and there's no police, exchange information, get pictures if you can of their license, registration, and move on. Don't discuss it. Don't have a fight. Don't have an argument. Number 4, if you're injured, get immediate medical attention. Don't hold back. Insurance companies don't believe it later on. Doctors sometimes don't believe it later on. And sometimes initial medical attention can save lots of pain and suffering later on. Number 5, after all that, then call your insurance company. Tell them what happened. Give them the information. Don't talk about your pain and suffering. Don't talk about what doctor you're going back to or whatnot. Just the basic information. Don't give them a full statement about how you're feeling. Give them the basic information. Number 6, going back to number 5, don't give a statement to your company or the other company. You can always do it later on. It's better if you do it with a lawyer. If you're not injured and everything goes fine, you haven't hurt yourself. If you are injured and it's going to be contested, anything you say will be used against you. Guaranteed. And it'll be hard to get a copy of that statement. Sometimes they don't actually record it. They write it down and they interpret their own writing in their own way, and that'll stick with you forever. If you don't give a statement, the person may be annoyed because he or she's trying to do their job, but it won't go against you later on. Number 7, follow up with medical care. If the doctors in the ER say, get an x-ray, get an x-ray. If the doctors say, follow up with your primary care physician, do that. If your primary care physician says, go to physical therapy, do that. Get yourself better. We have $8,000 in no-fault PIP benefits here in Massachusetts. Use it. If you're injured, that's what it's there for. That's what insurance is there for. It's a pool of money to help you for your lost income and your medicals. $8,000 for everyone in a motor vehicle accident in Massachusetts. And number 8, sticking with that number, get a lawyer. If you're injured and someone else is at fault, get a lawyer. We work on a contingent basis, so you don't have to pay money up front. We're used to dealing with these insurance companies. We're much more dispassionate on a day-to-day basis dealing with them because they will say, we're not sure if your client was injured. We're not sure if they were injured badly. We're not sure if this was from a prior accident. We notice in their medical records that they once had a fall. It looks like they have problems with a head injury. They will make up anything they can from the medical records, and they will be aggressive. They do it all day, every day. They've got trial lawyers that they use all day, every day. In every court in Massachusetts, you need someone on your side. Someone that has experience, someone that's aggressive, and someone that's effective. Give us a call. Burns & Jan, 617-227-7423. Thank you.